Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hey there, I'm Alex Merrifield from Solved, and I'm a lead consultant that works with hyper-growth companies, also the ones that are focused on AI. And as you'll see, Solved is an AI-first consulting firm. We've implemented these tools ourselves and become an authority on it. And today I'm going to show you how agent scripts act as the guardrails for your generative AI, allowing you to move past that unpredictable black box chatbots and into true deterministic business automation. And especially for those that are out there that might be wondering, are AI agents a bit too unpredictable? We give them instructions in plain English. You hope they follow your business rules, but as soon as conversations get complex, the AI can lose the thread. So if you've ever wondered, how do I make sure my agent always focuses or follows our specific pricing logic or security protocols without hallucinating, then agent scripts is an answer you've maybe been looking for. Now you might be thinking, can't I just tell the AI to do this in the prompt? And here's the reality. In a hyper-growth business, mostly right can very much be actually wrong. So whether it's protecting your margins in sales, meeting strict SLAs in service, or maintaining a seamless handoff in ops, you need more than just a conversation. You need a deterministic script that acts as the source of truth. So that is where agent script comes in. It's in beta mode right now. It can be the bridge between the flexibility of AI and the reliability of your core business rules. So I'll go into that further in this demo today. All right, so walking through this, the Agentforce developer guide is extremely helpful, especially when you're wanting to start with scripts that have already been built. There are a handful of these that exist. Jumping into this first one, this one's like really, really simple. But if you want to get into more detailed examples, they have those as well. So if we're jumping into a developer org or an SDO or something that you're using, Sandbox that has access to this, or maybe Salesforce Foundations, let's go to setup. And then we're going to be going to the Agentforce agents page. Now with that, I do want to call out that there is the setup with Agentforce beta. I have to turn that on, just a call out there. But when we're here in the Agentforce agents, we have the new Agentforce builder beta here. So if you click on this one, it should take us to this page. Just be on this one. And I've already created a bot for us, so the process is a little faster as I have a flow running in the background as well, based off of a template that they have. But as you create a new agent, just so you understand really quick on how this works, you can do this with natural language this way. You could also do new from a script. So this is where you can paste in that script from this page or elsewhere. And then when you do that, it will immediately create the bot. Now, if I click into this one, which I do have it open over here as well with the test conversation, I'll show you how it works. Here's an example of a script where I have an agent or a bot that is a hype bot. So it's very focused on, we love they're without reservation. We get that from AI. It'll tell us whatever we want. So push it to its limits here. And in addition to that, I also have a topic to also show off some of the example of how we can still reference things like flows to grab specific information. And we've done this a lot in some of our other videos with prompt builder and different ways we connect these agents together. But this is a good example of that. So you'll see we've got instructions of this is how you should act, very similar to what we might see in the canvas of a normal agent where we're doing just text examples and topics and actions. However, this gives us a lot more control as to what it is exactly doing. And you'll see here at the very bottom, we have the topic. You'll also notice the action down here where I'm calling this specific flow. So this flow itself is one that should be in most SDOs. This is like a template one that Salesforce throws out there. The only difference that I've made here is that it makes sure to grab the user that's working with the prompt, and it's able to grab opportunities and it's able to go through here and grab all the information collected together. And so again, overall, the script, pretty straightforward. It's mostly focused on being excited, telling you, and then what's going on, and then going through and triggering this flow. One call out, I have set up the user, you'll see it right there. I guess I should highlight this for you. The hype bot user. And so if you come here, it turns into an Einstein service agent user when you save the bot. You can use one that already exists if you're wanting to use the same one, but if you create a new one, I do suggest make sure it has the right role so it can see things, and the right permission set. I've given it opportunity to read all access, so it has the ability to see that. Can't view all records, but I have it. It's able to read all the fields. So let's jump into also another detail in here. Prompt builder, this is where flows, this is the example one, just if you're looking in your org, the get op details, that example flow that I was showing you, this is where it's typically used. This is also an example prompt that Salesforce gives out. So let's jump into a preview. This is very similar to what you've probably seen before. Of course, we're in beta mode, so some things are different. Let's start a conversation here. Agentforce is over here on the side to talk to you about what's going on the page, but this is the actual chat box where we're gonna make some magic happen. And you'll see you can set variables inside of the script as well. I just have one set, but here I'm gonna ask, or we'll start the conversation, and you'll see it's got the language that has been prompted on how it's supposed to talk to you. Let's say, can you help me know which opportunities are on my plate right now? So I'll ask it this question. It's gathering some information, which I may have asked it too broad of a question. Here's one. I'm gonna use this prompt just as this is a quick example demo. This is what the result, for example, when I posted this exact one, and it was able to go in, and you'll see the input. It goes into the agent pipeline, grabs the opportunity details, which, jumping back here, that's this one right here, running this action. And then it's able to go through there and ground the information back into this. And we could get way more detailed on the actual opportunity results on how this prompt is structured. Right now, it's really straightforward. It's very simple. Let's see if the other response I had running worked. Okay, there you go. So I asked a more specific question, so I could probably get better at expanding it there. But here we get all the example opportunities and where they're at and some specifics around them. So this is an example of how we can use the Agentforce builder to have a much more dedicated response. It's using generative language that's still an agent experience, and at least on our end, we're able to be much more prescriptive on how we want it to run. So as you just saw, moving from natural language to agent script takes your AI from a novelty to a reliable digital employee. Now, my advice, don't wait for a hallucination to happen before you start building guardrails. This is a very good option for it. Agentforce can do a lot of things without having to go this direction. Maybe you work it in tandem. So if you have a complex business process, it might belong in a script, not just a prompt. So if you want to identify the highest ROI use cases for Agentforce in your own org, or if you want to see how the team at Solved is using pro code tools like AgentScript and Apex to push the boundaries of what these agents can do, reach out to us. We specialize in helping you turn into a cutting edge tech, professional services, whatever have you, into digital labor that actually grows your business. So thanks for watching, and let's get those agents automated.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.